Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a natural remedy that might already be growing in your backyard or is easily accessible. You might know the sweet and juicy fruit, but did you know that the leaves themselves pack a powerful punch, especially when it comes to your digestion? Stick around, because we're about to explore the amazing ways guava leaves can soothe your stomach and keep your gut happy. For centuries, traditional medicine practices around the world have recognized the incredible benefits of guava leaves. And modern science is starting to catch up, revealing some fascinating compounds within these unassuming leaves that can really make a difference in how your body processes food. So, what's the magic behind these leaves? Well, they're rich in things like tannins, which have natural astringent properties. Think of them as helping to tighten and tone the tissues in your digestive tract. This can be particularly helpful in managing things like diarrhea. Guava leaves also contain flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the gut. Inflammation can disrupt the normal digestive process, leading to discomfort and other issues. By calming this inflammation, guava leaves can contribute to smoother digestion. Another way guava leaves can aid digestion is through their potential to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut. An imbalance of good and bad bacteria can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Guava leaves may help to restore a healthier balance, promoting better nutrient absorption and reducing digestive upset. Now, how can you actually incorporate guava leaves into your routine? The most common method is by making a simple tea. You can use fresh or dried leaves. For fresh leaves, about 5 to 6 leaves in a cup of hot water, steeped for 5 to 10 minutes, is usually a good starting point. If you're using dried leaves, a teaspoon or 2 per cup should do the trick. The tea has a mild, slightly earthy flavor. You can drink it warm or let it cool. Many people find that drinking a cup after a meal can be particularly beneficial in aiding digestion and preventing that uncomfortable full feeling. Of course, like with any natural remedy, it's always a good idea to listen to your body. Start with small amounts and see how you feel. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's best to chat with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating new herbal remedies like guava leaves. So there you have it. Guava leaves, a simple yet powerful natural ally for your digestive health. Have you ever tried using guava leaves? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.